Pi baro kini gilong gi khubor bam dagasngi. Muntu rang ba kachila konrat ki sangma gasini kong lo Jubab halor ka jing e balawan radu MP ka Shillong Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon. Kabede ba ka jing bam dan Dr. Ha Primary Health Center Mawïong haba pen pau halor ka ni ka jingjia. U konrat ulo ong ba ka jingduna Dr. Ha ki katu ka ni ki Primary Health Center PHC hajila ka dei damar ka jing slem ha ki rukam thungkam recruitment. Ha ki snem bala dem kabla pelongi ki doktor ki badan bakin syakit jingkit ki bakam kia hakaling ki jila. Menteri rang ba ula pentip baka sarkar kelas dangi ka jing thungkam thamai ban pen khlanya ka tanat ka koit ka kia. Kat kum ka jing ya thu jang u hadu mental ala ban thung kuma san ngut ki doktor regular bat labu ru iki wei par ki nong trei ban pen bha ya ka rukom trei kam jung ka tanat ka koit ka kia. Shushu lo ong baka sarkar kala thung ru iki specialist bat la pen bu ni ki nong trei ha ki hospital bat ki health center ba pher ula kadau ba kumba 1000 ngut ki nong trei thamai kan thu ki doktor ki nurse bat ki nong trei jing yaram la penrung ha katanat ka koit ka khia agini snem bala dem pan penjanai ka jing shakri pat ba walau la priang badang don sibun ki kam ki bahak menteri rei lo ong ba ka jinglong jingman menta kala baha ban ya ka ba mensha ki jingduna ha kalian ki jingte infrastructure mensha kila pen slam ya ka jing kiu shaprang rei menta ngi la pelut pisa sibun ba katanat ka koit ka khia ong konran ula banjuru ba ka jila Meghalaya ka bu tingkah katanat ka koit ka khia ka ba jan arsha ya ka average jangkari India ka ba pen iya ka jing angnut jang ka sarkar ban pen klan ya ka jing shakri pat ba ha kani ka penta ya kani ka mat lara hadin ba mi ki khubor ba om dan Dr. Ha PHC Mawïong ka bala pen mi jing sngo khia na kinong shongshnong halor ka jing yo jing shakri ka koit ka khia ka than
50 doctors. I don't know if you heard this, the reply last time, which was again stuck because of the fact that that there was no recruitment process and MPSC was overburdened. So we started a new recruitment board for the doctors, and based on that we have recruited 550 doctors now, and even specialists we have recruited about 35 specialists. So there has been an addition of maybe close to about 1000 plus, about I can't remember the exact number, but it was 1200 something plus manpower in the overall system, and it's a huge improvement compared to where we were before. A lot more needs to be done because we still have infrastructure shortages, and there's a reason why we are pumping in more money into health sector. If you looked at the budget, it is double that of the national average. It's because we realize that there's so many areas which we need to keep working on. There's already an inquiry that has taken place, and and based on that inquiry, I think the health department is taking necessary steps. So I think health minister will be in a better position to reply to that. You can have a word with him.
This